a very special person, my sister.
Hi guys, my name is Samantha Valencia, also known as Sammy Joe Show.
So today we are going to try to get her edges on fleek. So my sister has naturally has baby hairs, as you guys can see. She didn't even brush them. I don't have any baby hair, so what I do is I shape my edges to try to make it look like I have something going on there. So she's never had her edges, the Jewejewebee edges before.
I try to do them, but they just don't stay in position.
So she's trying to say my tutorial doesn't work, guys.
I'm just saying that you probably could slay me better than I can slay you.
But we're gonna do her edges today.
Did the Jewejewebee slayage?
Yes.
So
today I'm going to be using.
My nose is running. So maybe I should just bring a tissue in here. I don't know how you're gonna be able to do this because my hair is already kind of flaking a little bit.
Yeah, see. The edge control. How'd that happen?
I put too much product on it.
So here are the edges that we're starting with. I'm gonna use some edge control, and this is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Edge Control. I just got it in a PR package. I used some already. I like all of Cream of Nature's edge controls, honestly. So I'm just taking a bit and gonna put a little bit on her edges, not too much. And then start trying to shape them bad boys. I'm gonna just brush it back for now, see what we're working with.
A little heavy-handed there.
I'm trying to get all these flakes, break all these flakes up. Yeah, so I can already see we have a lot to work with. My sister has a big head, so we probably might have, you see I have 3 swoops, we might have 7.
You right there.
Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit more. So I'm just brush, and then brush it back. Am I hurting you?
No, that feels good.
Feels good.
Yeah, I like when people play in my hair.
Okay, now.
Is it looking Jewejewebee slayed?
I wouldn't call it that. It's like, maybe some.
This feels so good.
Really?
Yeah. How is this gonna dry? I just feel like there's so much on there.
It's gonna dry.
Clear.
Yeah.
I like it.
Now, going with the toothbrush. Let's just get in the little baby hairs in the front, because she actually has baby hairs. Baby hair. Actually, no, that's making a little plastered. Little glued. So I'm just take a little bit of the baby hair in the front. Take those out, and that makes it look like more real.
Yeah, I have a forehead.
She does not have a big forehead. She has a tiny forehead.
When I turn to the front, bam! I got 4 inches of forehead. Right here, no forehead. Bam!
You did not. Look how small her forehead is, guys. Actually, right there.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thanks, Dad.
Thanks, Dad. We should get rid of a lot of the excess hair.
I should not have done that.
Why?
Because you have makeup.
Getting progressively worse. ruined my makeup for this video.
Sorry. Oh, it's getting better. We just gotta let it set.
Okay, we'll see.
It's weird seeing you like this.
Yeah. I like it though.
Yeah, I like it. So this is before. And this is after. Like it. I feel like this makes people's edges look fuller.
Yeah.
Like I have naturally thin edges.
I just have a bald spot on one side.
Yeah, so I wasn't gonna say that. So I'm gonna do her other side. You done hit the bald spot really well.
Oh, okay.
Work it out. What is your favorite memory of us together?
I think recently it's our trip to Curacao.
Oh yeah.
I feel like that was really fun, and it was a week of just us together, which I think is enough time for us to spend together for 24 hours straight.
I think my favorite memory was, I have two, because she spoils me since I'm the baby sister. But she took me to an MGMT concert, and we did a road trip up there. That was so much fun. And then again, when we went to Kanye West's concert.
Oh yeah.
That was fun.
That was so much fun.
I don't know how to do it. I feel like I can do it on myself easier than. See, you did too much. Ooh, this is hard to do on this side.
You're telling me this side's gonna be fleek?
Yeah, this
That's
side's
gonna be weak. Eek!
I always have one side that always looks way better. We're not off to a good start.
You've already committed because you put it on the edge control, so you just gotta follow through at this point.
Just start swooping random stuff.
Yeah. I got a lot of baby hairs up here for you to work with.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't have any baby hair there, so you actually might have to do that part. I literally don't know what to do with that.
Okay, yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to do that
Yeah,
part.
your forehead.
Your forehead looks too big. We need to. Okay.
I don't have any edges on my forehead. So I usually just like take my finger and do like this. And that's
What do you
about
do?
it. I take my finger and do it.
That's kind of cute too.
And then it gives me like an inch less forehead.
Yeah, gotta hide that forehead.
So this is called the Sam Jew edges.
On this side. Did you finish this side already?
What are you trying to say?
I feel like it's swooped too straight back and it
Yeah.
forehead's looking a little big on that side.
Very good. I look like a different person. I look like Jewejewebee.
Kind of look like when we did that.
I love it. You do? Mm-hmm. Okay, just disrespect me with your long hair. Like, I love it. I like it too.
I did not know my edges could actually stay like this because they never do.
Yeah.
So clearly edge control is the GOAT.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, scratch that. Thank you guys so much for watching me and my sister. Scratch that. Thank you guys so much for watching me.
Okay.
Sister's always coming through. Okay, thanks. Thank you guys so much.
Okay, so
What was that?
you want to have to wipe my nose on camera.
You have to do all that, just wait.
I think I swallowed some boogers.
Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it and you want to see more from my sister, then give me and Sammy Joe Show a thumbs up.
4 thumbs up.
4 thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button and you can subscribe to her channel as well.
Samantha Palencia on YouTube.
Yep. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye. Oh, you look like a boy. You have such a boy face.
Who's older? Who's older, me or Jew? And for all you people who vote that Jew is younger than me, we're having a problem. It's having a problem.
She looks like she could be my mom.
That was so annoying.
Literally.
Okay.
Okay.
Ew, why you look like that?
Look, you're trying to hold it apart.
Okay, because I'm trying to hold it apart. We had like 3-4 eggs this morning.
I don't part when I eat eggs.
I do sometimes.
Maybe that's a sign you shouldn't be eating eggs.